AI is actually utilized across the whole of the product lifecycle. So you see AI and AI benefits in the design stages with advanced multi-physics simulation, with complex test environments and edge cases and things like that for verification, validation. So you see it in the design stages that shortens the design cycle, and that will continue to advance. We're seeing it today in the NPI stages where really there's more thorough identification of issues or potential issues, and then the correlation of the performance of those early stage products with the issues. So test data correlated to manufacturing data, so those can be addressed very early in the design cycles still. And then when you get to mass production, it's in many, many places. So you see it, there's cobots and there's autonomous robots used in manufacturing today. And again, that will continue to advance. You see it heavily. You see machine learning, computer vision, advanced analytics, generative AI, all used in multiple spaces where you have examples like optical inspection. This is where computer vision and the advanced analytics make an enormous difference compared to what in the past was optical inspection coupled with people. So you see big advancements there. You see it in downtime prediction and predictive maintenance of the equipment itself. You see it in the supply chain through all of the stages where using the intelligence from supply chain and AI, you can create and design the most resilient bill of material for that product and the supply chain for it. And then when you advance into the mass production stages, this is where you can really use it to mitigate and prevent risk from occurring. You can predict risk, mitigate it. So when you look through all of the things that lead up to a vehicle being on the road, AI is everywhere inside of there. And then when you get to the vehicle itself and you think about, the digital twin and what could happen, and then how you take actual digital twins all the way back through from the vehicle to the manufacturing process, that's when we look to the future and see that more and more connected.